Hi, I'm Joseph from Team Medical and Scientific. Today I have here new water activity meters from meter groups. The model is Series 4TE, water activity with chill mirror dew point technology and with the Peltier temperature control. Okay. Today I'm going to do an unboxing of these new products. This is the packing. The length is 50 cm, width is 40 cm with the height of 25 cm. The weight maybe less than 2 kilos, right? Let's unbox it. So you can see here cover. So there's a nicely designed packing. Meters really put some thoughts into the packing. So you have here manuals and all those certificates is inside. What you can get here is the manuals, the CDs are here. So this part, this is a shock resistant packing, so which I love it very much. So you can see here, okay, and this is the Series 4TE. Okay, you can have here. Basically, there's two pieces of packing here. This is the lower piece, and this is the upper piece. So basically, water activity is put inside these two packing. So when there's a vibration or shocks, the water activities are protected. This is a really good packing. So normally, I would advise customer to keep this packing. Don't throw it away. You need this when you move. You need this when you move your equipment from one place to another place. So on your left hand side, you have here is the cleaning kits, right? So you can clean the water activity chambers. You have here the cables, cords, and the cables for you to connect to the computers. So we are using a 3-pin plug here. Different countries you have different plug. And then you have this disposable sample cups and also the lids. So you will have 50 of the cups and 50 of the lids. Okay, let's open up and have a look. So this is the lids, and this is the cup. Okay, so the lids and the cup. So you can basically cover it. So you have 50 of these. Okay, this is what you get for the Series 4TE. So let's look into one by one. So this is the manual packing. So what you have here in the manual is the checklist. So you can check whether everything are complete here. So this is the quick start reference. It's very nice design, nicely designed. Comprehensive manuals. So you can get a lot of information from here, right? Manual. So yes, then this is the free verification kits for the systems. What you have here is the verification kit for 0.76. There's 2 bottles here, and 0.5, 2 bottles, and in red is 0.25. There's a 3 level of standard verification kits here. Of course, the certificate of calibration and MSDS or the SDS of the kits. So the cleaning kits you have here is come with a box of clean wipe strips here and a box of clean wipe tissues here. You have a plastic rod for the clean wipe strips, and you have here isopropanol's cleaning solutions and some ionized water, okay, plus the activated carbon to absorb any moisture. So this is what you have in cleaning kits. Let's power this 4TE. So you can put it back. You can see here there is a power cord, a place for power cords. Okay. So on it. So what you see here is series 4TE. You have a display of AW and temperatures here. So this is the chamber. You will see here there's a sensor here, a chill mirror dew point sensors, and the infrared temperature sensors. And the whole block is Peltier temperature control, Peltier block here. So this regulates the temperature. We have some sample here. We have some biscuits. We have crushed it. So we'll put into the sample cup. Normally we'll put half full. So this will be the biscuits in the sample cup, half full. So we will place it into a chamber and then put it in. You can see here there's a open and close sign here. So you just close it and it start measure. This water activity meter series 4TE is reading now. You can see the sign here showing that the machine in the midst of reading. So within 5 minutes, this device will give you the reading when it reaches equilibrium. So once it is done, you see a save icon here. So this is the final reading. Hi, I hope you enjoyed the video on Series 4TE Water Activity Meter from Meter Group USA. Do feel free to contact us if you have any inquiry on water activity meter. Thank you very much.